Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Pod Wheel. Today we've got something a little different and something incredibly special. It's not a big 1/18th scale model, it's a tiny titan. This is the Motorhelix limited edition Nissan GTR R35 in an absolutely stunning dark red, and it's in the highly detailed 1/64 scale. First off, let's talk about this packaging. It's a collector's dream. It's a high-quality acrylic case with a detailed base that really sets the scene for the car. This isn't just a car you get in a blister pack. It's a display piece right out of the box. Carefully getting the case open, and wow, just look at this thing. For a 1/64 scale car, the amount of detail is absolutely insane. The dark red metallic paint is just incredible. It's got this rich, deep color that catches the light perfectly. Let's get in close on the details. The front of the car has the iconic GTR grille with a detailed mesh pattern that you can actually see. The headlights are perfectly molded and the GTR badge is crisp and clear, even at this tiny scale. The carbon fiber texture on the front spoiler is a fantastic touch. Moving around to the side, those signature GTR wheels are beautifully replicated. You can even make out the brake rotors and calipers behind them. And the tires, they have a great, realistic profile. Now for the best part, the opening feature. This 1/64 model has a functioning hood, and when you lift it, you're greeted with a beautifully detailed engine bay. You can see the twin-turbo V6 in there, with incredible realism for a car this size. That's a huge selling point for any serious collector. And finally, the back of the car. The classic 4-ring taillights are here, and the exhaust tips are cleanly finished. The spoiler with its textured finish looks just right. For a 1/64 scale model, the quality and detail on this Motorhelix GTR are just unbelievable. It's heavy, it feels solid in your hand, and it's an absolute must-have for any JDM or GTR fan. What do you guys think of this tiny beast? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more diecast unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.